Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to experience a unique style of making shrimp curry. This is a very easy and delicious curry and you can make it anytime. Using jumbo shrimp makes a world of a difference. Let's get started. We are going to make the masala for the main masala paste first. I'm using an iron griddle which gives most of the flavor to the dish. Saute the onions until golden and then we will keep adding other ingredients to make this even more flavorful. Saute all these until golden in color. The next ingredients are the whole garam masala to enhance the flavor of the masala paste. We will also have to saute these to bring out the flavor into the masala. Make a smooth paste by adding very little water at a time. Perfect. Keep it aside. Here I have taken jumbo shrimp and will apply the turmeric and the salt and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Let's make the main curry. Saute the onions until golden and then add in the masala paste we made earlier. We will cook until oil separates. You can make this masala paste a day ahead and keep it in the refrigerator to make it easy for you. You can add spice as per your choice. Always add hot water so we don't stop the cooking process. We will cook this masala for a few minutes for the flavors to merge with each other before adding in the shrimp. Wow, looks good, right? Once you add in the shrimp, it doesn't take long for them to cook. Adjust the salt as per your taste and we are done. So easy, right? Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.